Traction roll. Tree. New to my channel, if you will, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future updates. It'd be awesome. Gives me more encouragement to do stuff like this, you know. I hit that tree again. It's telling me something. Still wants to go. Race truck on a crawler course doesn't really work well. There's my Ranger sitting there. I did a little road work with my tractor here and graded my driveway. There's my little ant. He always hangs around here. He's my pet. I let him hang out here with us. He doesn't bother nothing. He doesn't bother nothing, so he can stay here. What it looks like up close and personal. Let's get the body off. Let's get the body off it. No speed secrets here. So it looks like there's a dust cover, keeps the crack off keeps the crap off the out of the chassis, and it's fine enough that you can actually if I turn this off. It's something. And it keeps the crap off the chassis like dirt.